136. Let me show you all the plastic floor. This one is 400 by 600 millimeter and 6 and 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, and this one is 6 by 6, 6 by 6. So for piglet, we have 3 sizes. 400, 4, 5, 6, total 3 pieces. The capacity is 250 kilogram. This is for the piglet, and another I show you the sow. This one is sow. This plastic is for the sow, 600 millimeter and 400 millimeter. The capacity for each rib is 500 kilogram. 500 kilogram, and the back side. So this one we only have plastic floor for sow. The size is 400 by 600 millimeter. Okay, this is double rib plastic floor.